Streaming HD TV. Discuss online TV and movie content delivery. Detailed information on streaming HD TV. StreamingHDTV.com is the best place to discover streaming HDTV access to streaming HDTV, movies, online videos, and television shows, all in high definition. There are tons of movies and shows that are available online in high definition that stream fast. If you are new to the site or HT, we have provided plenty of information to help you navigate and understand the content we provide here. What is HDTV? It seems like a lot of hype for something that's not exactly clear to most. Basically, HDTV provides a higher image resolution. This creates a clearer picture with sharper images and more vibrant colors. HD devices transmit at various levels, which you may have heard of but do not really understand. Here are some examples and brief explanations. 1080p transmits at 1920 by 1080p, 2,073,600 pixels, approximately 2.1 megapixels per frame. 1080i transmits at 1920 times 1080i, 1,036,800 pixels, approximately 1 megapixel per field, or 2,073,600 pixels, approximately 2.1 megapixels per frame. Or 1440 by 1080i, 777,600 pixels, approximately 0.8 megapixels per field, or 1,555,200 pixels, approximately 1.6 megapixels per frame. 720p transmits at 1280 times 720p, 9,021,600 pixels, approximately 0.9 megapixels per frame. The letter P in the above information actually stands for progressive scan, while the I stands for interlaced. A simple way of looking at the resolution information on devices is to consider that a digital picture consists of thousands of pixels or dots of colored light. The resolution is the number of pixels that are used to make the picture being viewed. A resolution, like 1080p, is an explanation of how the pixels are used to make the picture. The number 1080 is a representation of the horizontal lines of data in the HD signal, whereas the letter P represents how those lines are positioned across the screen. As explained before, the P stands for progressive scan. A progressive scan positions the lines of data from top to bottom, one after another. So it would stream in order line 1, line 2, line 3. An interlaced resolution 1080i represents a signal that positions the lines of data differently. In this resolution, information is positioned top to bottom on every other line all the way to the end, and then repositioning is repeated again, filling in the areas where the lines were skipped. Therefore, the interlaced signals might stream as follows: line 1, line 3, line 5, and then line 2, line 4, line 6. Normally, you would find that progressive scan signals are higher in quality than interlaced. They present pictures that are sharper at higher frame rate motion. The interlaced signal contains two areas of video captured at different times. This usually results in the edges of the images being slightly blurred or not just as crisp as the progressive scan signals.